If you're someone who loves using their slow cooker to make absolutely delicious, rich beef casseroles, you're going to love this Belgian beef stew known as Carbonnade Flamande. The secret is the beef marinade. We're going to use a dark beer and we're going to marinate the beef with the garlic, and we're going to pop that in the fridge overnight. Once it's ready, using a slotted spoon, we're going to pop the beef into the slow cooker but reserve the booze for later. And then for chopping, we're going to do onion, carrot, and then some smoked bacon. We're going to remove the fat just to keep it a bit leaner, or you could also use bacon medallions. Then we're going to heat a frying pan on a medium heat and melt some butter and add in the onion and the bacon, and we're going to cook that until it starts to go golden brown and smelling delicious. Now remember that liquid I asked you to set aside earlier, the beer and the garlic? We're going to pour that into the frying pan, increase the high, and we're going to simmer that down and reduce it by about 2/3. It's going to look pretty minging when you add it, don't worry, but that's just the bits of meat left over in the marinade. Just simmer that down so it gets really thick and then tip that into the slow cooker. Then we're going to add in our other ingredients. We're using the standard things for a slow cooker recipe like stock, corn flour to help thicken things, and then for extra flavour we're putting in some mustard, honey, and then a bouquet garni and some bay leaves. For cooking you can give it 4 hours on high, or I prefer doing it low and slow for 8 hours. That way the beef is going to just fall apart.
Hey, sorry for the interruption, but I've got a super quick favour to ask. If you could either click like, drop a comment below and let me know what you think of this recipe, or subscribe, I would really appreciate it. It has got absolutely nothing to do with my ego. It just means that if you interact with this video in some way, YouTube is more likely to show it to others so that more people get a chance to cook my recipes. Thanks in advance. Now back to the recipe.
When it comes to serving this, you can serve it with crusted bread, potatoes, rice, and just get stuck in. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this recipe, and as always, if you want the full recipe for it, you can get it inside my recipes app. There's a link to download it in the description below. See ya!